Hello, young people of the Philippines! Kamusta kayo? Greetings from Rome. Nabalitaan namin na meron kayong gathering, and I'm sure it will be a gathering filled with joy. Pero this is not just a gathering. It is a moment to be formed again by Jesus. Alam niyo, mahalaga yun, that you allow Jesus to meet you. You allow Jesus to get to know you. You allow Jesus to accept you for who you are. At pag naranasan ninyo kung gaano kayo tanggap at mahal ni Jesus, that is good news. That is gospel. At yun sana ang i-share ninyo, ibahagi ninyo sa iba. That is your fundamental service, to share the love that Jesus has given to you. At yung binigay ni Jesus na pag-ibig sa inyo, hindi lang para sa sarili yun. Kapag tinago ninyo yun sa sarili nyo, mamamatay yun. The more you share that love in service, in truth, in justice, then that love will grow. Sige ha, enjoy your stay and encourage one another and pass on the good news to your friends and to the next generation. God bless you.